Hi, this is AJ from WPExplorer.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create cool pricing tables using the Total WordPress theme. So right here, I just have a basic page set up, and I'm using the Visual Composer front-end editor. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in a new pricing table. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to insert my pricing table. As you can see, by default, it looks pretty lame. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create one similar to this one. And it's very simple. So the first tab, this is your features, as you can see them right there. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add some more padding to them. I'm going to increase the font size, and I'm going to make those features black. There you go. Now I'm going to go over to the plan, and that of course is this up top. So let's call this one premium. I'm going to give it a black background. Let's give it some more padding. Make it white. I'll go ahead and say it so you can see. As you can see it changing right there. It's really simple. Go ahead and make it, let's say, 16 pixel font size. Let's make it bold. Let's get some letter spacing. I'm going to give it a 0 pixel margin because by default it has a -1 pixel margin on the sides, and that's because it's got a border. And I'm going to set the border to none. There you go. Let me make the font size a little bit bigger actually. Alright, now I'm going to go over to the cost, which is right here. So I'll make the background black, make the font color white, give it some more padding as well. Alright, and let's make it really big. Oops, that's the padding, sorry. Right here, font size. Make it a little bigger, 48 pixels. Alright, and let's make it thin. So let's give it a 300 font weight. Alright, so let's go over to the per, and that's right here. You can barely see it now. So let's say this is a yearly pricing structure. I want to set this to display block, so it's below the price. Now let's make it white. Let's also make this, let's make this thin actually, and let's make the cost bold. Oops, that looks bad. Let's make it normal. Alright, and let's increase the font size a little bit. Alright, as you can see, it's really starting to take shape now. And the next step's the button. So have our button go to WPExplorer, save that. You can see the button's going to show up there. It's not showing anything because there's no text, so let's just call it visit site. There you go, and that looks pretty lame, so let's go ahead and make that better. Let's get some border radius. It's going to be white font, 14 pixels, 5 pixels, 10 pixel padding. Let's make this one normal font size. Oh, you can just add 400. Let's see what that's looking like. That's looking a little better. Let's get a little more padding over here. And let's make the button red to match our header. Awesome. A little less padding. Much better. There you go. Let's see. Well, it doesn't look exactly the same, but you can get the general idea of how easy it is to make these really cool pricing tables and how easy it is to customize the pricing table completely. So just because you see the default pricing tables on the live demo, it doesn't mean that's what you're stuck with. You can completely change these to match your website design and your brand. Enjoy.